inside and little bits of this place. It's gonna be a pretty emotional day for me because I love all this fake food so much. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys later. Strawberries are so realistic. It's crazy. Guys, can you see this ice cream cone that can hold your cell phone? It's actually all drippy and melty here. It's amazing. I found another store that is mind-blowing and I'm loving this so much. This street is amazing. Most of the stores are with dinnerware and tableware, but these stores are the ones I prefer, and this is amazing. You have to see what's right behind me. Look at all those pancakes. It's amazing. Can you see how, like, it's so tall, guys? It's a few feet tall. It's amazing. I'm gonna go inside and show you. I'm gonna show you first what store I'm in front of. Okay. Look at all these gorgeously realistic foods. And here they show you a bit of how they make it. Oh my gosh. So cool. This is so cool. You can actually put some napkins in here. Oh my goodness. Can you see how realistic it is? Look at this pie. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this so much, guys. Look at this pancake. Oh, the bananas are so real. And I'm loving those little cupcakes are killing me. So cute. And this is even magnetic, so you can put some little paper clips on it. Oh my gosh. I'm loving these also. If they would fit my house, I would already have one in a bag, bought and ready to go home. Guys, it's so beautiful and yummy. And look at these are actually kits that you can make yourself at home. And look at the cornflakes on the back. Look at these. Ah, so well done. And you can even make those beautiful ice cream at home. And you can buy some of these little decorations that you can add on top of your sundaes. Or make your own little sundae by mixing and matching these ice cream scoops. Stores now, and I'm in another store that is super amazing. Look at the tempura tower behind me. It's so cool. Look at all these ingredients that you can put in a plate and make your own sample food plate. It's so great, guys. Oh my gosh, look at those fries. They're like huge potato fries, I think. So they are 1,284 yen, which is about 13 Canadian dollars. Ooh, I think this is like some kind of potato salad. Oh my gosh. Look at these little vegetables. They're so cute. At all these pasta plates. Oh my gosh. So well done. And here you have some curry plates. And the gorgeous little omurice with ketchup. And this is the super impressive tempura tower. So this is amazing. Look at this awesome shop. And this huge rice going up from the wok. It's so amazing, guys. Some gorgeous cell phone cases, but none of them fit my phone so well. That's too bad. These are some traditional Japanese desserts. They look super yummy. I haven't seen these ice cream and jam. So cool. Look at these ramen soups. So yummy. Some little gyozas and more soups. I like it when they make the noodles stand with the chopsticks. It's so cute. The forks actually stand by themselves. It's so great, guys. Look at this. It's so amazing. Oh my god. I really like these waffles. They are so yummy looking. Oh my goodness. And some cakes here. Some little sandwiches and burgers. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed my afternoon so much. I am so inspired right now. Everything is so gorgeous and well done and realistic. I'm really enjoying my time in Japan, and I'm sorry I couldn't make more vlogs here for you guys, but I really wanted to enjoy my time here. And when I do my vlogs, I have to think too much about what I'm going to say and how I'm going to film it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this video about street food here in Japan. It's so impressive. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day and God bless you. Bye!